The Rocky Intertidal Zone is home to a wide variety of marine life. With climate change, a lot of these species are experiencing shifts in their native ranges. Among these are predatory sea slugs called nudibranchs.
We're studying how the chemical signals from one species of nudibranch affect how much other species of nudibranch eat. Nudibranchs don't have eyes like humans do. Instead, they rely on chemical cues to navigate their environment and find food. For our experiment, we focused on the opalescent nudibranch and the three-lined nudibranch. Doing this research is really important because there's not much that's known about how different species of nudibranch interact with each other. The opalescent nudibranch is a more southern species, while the three-lined nudibranch is found more north. However, with climate change, we are starting to see southern populations of the opalescent nudibranch migrating north and interacting more with the three-lined nudibranch. A better understanding of how these species interact will allow us to better protect them.
So in order to answer our research question, we plan on conducting an experiment where we take our two nudibranch species and expose them to each other's chemical signals. We then plan on giving them a food source, in this case, the hydroid Obelia, and measuring how much of the hydroid they consume in the presence of each other's chemical signals, as opposed to in the presence of regular seawater. From this, we can expect to determine if there's any competitive interactions going on between these two species. We expect to find that the three-lined nudibranch will consume less hydroid when exposed to the chemical cues of the opalescent nudibranch. This is likely the result of a difference in body size, and this could imply that the opalescent nudibranch will outcompete the three-lined nudibranch for food in its natural habitat. I think it's really cool to be able to conduct research out here. Before coming out here, I didn't really know much about research or the whole research process in general. There's just something really cool about being able to take a peek behind the curtain and see how everything works and being able to conduct our own research. I think it's also really cool to just be able to conduct field work and go out into nature and see these animals in their natural environments. I think this is by far the most fun I've had throughout my entire undergraduate career.
I think there's something truly special about being able to go into the field and interact with these creatures in their natural habitat. Nudibranchs are very beautiful and often well camouflaged, so when I find them, I like to think that I'm finding treasure.